Hey Scale Squad, I got an opening for ya. We have two Greninja Dollar Tree booster packs. I have two Nahagendel booster packs, two Zygarde, and last but not least, two Ultra Necrozma. Okay, I'm gonna open a Greninja, and these packs are a lot different than normal packs. They're only $1, so they come with only 3 cards. So, let's see if I can open this. Oh, and also, the middle card would be the best card out of the 3. So, with that being said, let's take this little card thing out of here. The middle one I will put into the back. That way we find out what the best card in each one of these are. And we have a Skidoo with Growth. Attach a Grass Energy card from your hand to this Pokemon. And then Razor Leaf does 40 damage. Then we got a Fairy type energy, and the best card we got is a Dewpad with Gnaw, does 10 damage. Spiderweb, the defending Pokemon can't retreat during your opponent's next turn. Okay, I'm gonna open the other Greninja pack. See what we can get, guys. It's not letting me open it, guys. I'll try not to bend these cards. Oh my goodness. It doesn't want to open right there. Oh look, we got another Skidoo. Alrighty. Take that card out of here. Put the middle card in the back. Alright, so Skidoo, Growth, attach a Grass Energy card from your hand to this Pokemon, and Razor Leaf does 40. Okay, we got a Dark Energy, and ooh, look at that, guys. Arceus Prism Star card. You can't have more than one Prism card with the same name in your deck. If a Prism card would go to the discard pile, put it into the Lost Zone instead. It's got an ability, First Law. Prevent all effects of your opponent's attacks except damage done to this Pokemon. Cool. And it's got Trinity Star. Does 30 damage. You can use this attack only if you have a Grass, Water, and Lightning Pokemon on your bench. Search your deck for up to 3 basic energy cards and attach them to your Pokemon in any way you like. Then shuffle your deck. So, in order to put him to full use, you'd have to make a deck with Grass, Water, and Lightning. Be a very interesting deck. Alright. That's so cool. Shiny, shiny. Alrighty, guys. Let's go with the Nahagana. Alright, let's see if I have better luck opening this one. Last pack was a pain in the butt. There we go. A little bit less. Oh, look at that. It's open out. So good. Okay. Now get this card out of here. Put the middle one in the back. Okay, let's see what we got, guys. Esper with Energy Teaser. Move an energy from one of your opponent's bench Pokemon to another of their Pokemon. Okay, and we got Metal Frying Pan. It's a Pokemon tool. Attach a Pokemon tool to one Pokemon that does not already have a Pokemon tool attached to it. The Steel Pokemon this card is attached to takes 30 less damage from your opponent's attacks after applying weakness and resistance. it has no weakness. And Rotom. Is that a rare? Oh, it is a rare. Rare Rotom. Okay. If you have 9 or more Pokemon Tool cards in your discard pile, ignore all energy in the attack cost of each of this Pokemon's attacks. Which I don't get that because it only has 1 attack. Okay, this Pokemon can attack during your next turn. Plasma Slice, 120. Alrighty, guys. Now let's get the other Nahagado. I just think that's such a weird name. Such a hard name to pronounce. It took me quite a while to be actually able to somewhat say his name. Oh, look. What is that? Bergmite. Alright, guys. Get this card out of here. Get the middle card in the back. Okay. So, Bergmite, you got Break Open. It does 10 damage. If your opponent has a Stadium card in play, discard it. If you do, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. We have a Metal Frying Pan. It's a Pokemon tool. You can only have 1 Pokemon tool attached to a Pokemon at a time. And a Steel Pokemon that this is attached to has 30 less damage from your opponent's attacks and has no weakness. Last card. What is it? What is it? What is it? Whoosh. Ooh, a reverse hollow Mesprit with the ability Silent Waves. If you have Azelf in play, your opponent's Pokemon in play have no resistance. Oh, your Pokemon. Your opponent's Pokemon in play have no resistance. Okay. And it's Mind Splash, does 20 plus damage. If Yuxi is on your bench, this attack does 50 more damage. I see what they did there. Reverse shiny. Okay. Now let's get to Zygarde. Alright, let's see if I can open this one. What about it? There we go. Oh, look, it's a Gibble. Oh, I just messed everything up, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Alrighty. So, we have Gibble with Ascension. Search your deck for a card that evolves from this Pokemon and put it onto this Pokemon and evolve it. Then shuffle your deck. We have Judge. Each player shuffles their hand into their deck and draws 4 cards. Okay, and Flabébé. Hey, baby. We have does Evolutionary Advantage. If you go second, this Pokemon can evolve during its first turn. I've got Tackle for 10 damage. Okay, the other Zygarde pack. I hope you guys are having fun watching my videos. I really do enjoy making them for you guys. Got Execute poking out. Alright, get rid of this card. Put the middle card in the back. Alright, Execute. Search your deck for Execute and put it into your bench. Then shuffle your deck. We have Bonnie. If you can play this card only if there's a Stadium card in play. Discard that Stadium card during this turn. Your Zygarde GX can use its GX attack, even if you have used your GX attack. Alright. And then the last one is a Scatterbug. With Abnormal Outbreak, you can use this ability only if you go second. Once during your first turn, before you attack, you may search your deck for a Spuda and a Vivillon. Reveal them and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. And then you got Tackle. It does 10 damage. Okay. Now, Ultra Necrozma. Let's see what we can get, guys. Oh, it's another Bergmite poking out. Uh-oh. Let's see what we can get. Okay, get rid of that card. Middle card in the back. Bergmite has Break Open, does 10 damage. Your opponent has a stadium card in play, discard it. If you do, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. And we got a Mysterious Treasure. Discard a card from your hand. If you do, search your deck for a Psychic or Dragon Pokemon. Reveal it and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Ooh, we got a reverse shiny Gible with Ascension. Search your deck for a card that evolves from this Pokemon. Put it onto this Pokemon and evolve it. Then shuffle your deck. Alright, last pack, guys. Wish me luck. Let's see if we can get a really good card. Ultra rare, secret rare, hyper rare. I'd be happy with any of those, to be honest with you. Oh, look, it's Pancham checking you out. And Pancham got Act Tough for 10 plus damage. If this Pokemon has any dark energy card attached to it, this attack does 30 more damage. That's cool. Does 10 plus the 30. Oh, guys, I'm slacking on the last pack. I'm so sorry. At least I noticed it before it was too late. Okay, and we have Crasher Wake. Discard 2 water energies from your hand. If you do, search your deck for up to 2 cards, put them into your hand, and then shuffle your deck. Last card is a reverse hollow Skidoo. With growth, attach a grass energy card from your hand to this Pokemon. And Razor Leaf does 40. Alrighty, guys. And let's just do a quick little recap. So out of all, what was it, 8 packs, I think? Yeah, 8 packs from Dollar Tree. Got a reverse hollow Skidoo. We got a reverse hollow Gible, a Mesprit, a rare Rotom, and the best card out of here, the Arceus Prism Star. So, let me know in the comments which one of these you liked, and I will be having, hopefully here very soon, some more deck reviews after I adjust my couple decks. I have a fire deck that I'm going to be wanting to show you guys, and the one I'm very proud of is my dragon deck, guys. Yes, I have a dragon deck that I have been putting together and waiting so I could be able to show you guys. It's going to be a very happy day for the Scale Squad with all the dragons. Alrighty, and as if you could see, there's a couple Dragon Majesty booster pack in the background. I did a video before this one of the box opening. It was a fun opening. Got pretty cool cards out of it. It's the first Dragon Majesty that I've done. So, if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check out the video on my page. But until next time, guys, be safe and love Pokemon.